So the first thing that it says in the directions is to add more drops to the array. So here are the arrays. There's var x position and y position. The way this drop is working, if you restart it, it draws that background color, and then it has a for loop that is going to loop through the length of the x position array. Right now that's only that one, so it goes through it the one time and it's done. And it adds 5 to the y position, so where it is going down the screen, each time it goes through that loop. So the first thing it said was to add more drops to the array. So I'm going to add, I'm just going to start over here at 10, and let's do 25, 75, and you can see them plopping up on the right hand side, 300, 260, and let's do 325. Now let's do 375. Can't see that. 360. That's good. Okay. Now I'm going to add a y position for each of those as well. So I'm going to start them all at 0. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 drops of rain that are going to go down the screen. Now we're going to make it so they start back at the top once they've reached the bottom using a conditional. So the bottom of the screen, we're going to have to play with whatever that number is. But what we're looking for in here is if the raindrop goes off the bottom of the screen, reset it to the top. So that if is going to be if y positions at each one, so we have to go through each one, is greater than, I'm going to start with 400. I don't think the bottom of the screen is 400. I think it's 300 and something, but whatever. Then, if that's true, I want to set there we go, put some brackets around that. We'll set y positions of that instance equal to 0. And that's going to bring them back each time they go through the loop. So once they're going to add that 5, as soon as that ends up being over 400, it's going to get you to back to 0.